Taxation without representation. This is a slogan that you will see on many cars in Washington, D.C. It's part of the campaign for voting rights for D.C. residents in the Congress and to publicize the fact that Washington, D.C. residents who pay federal taxes do not have representation in Congress. Let's find out what Washington, D.C. residents have to say about this. So we have Mr. Morrow here, who was born in D.C. and spent all his life in D.C. So what do you have to say about D.C. not having a voting right on the Congress floor?
We are being taxed without representation. The government does not pay rent here, but we can't tax. We pay our federal taxes to the government, but we get nothing in return. I think that they should give Eleanor Holmes Norton voting rights for the district.
And the whole issue of taxation without representation, I think it's fair for residents of the city to want to have a voting member of Congress. The city is just like any other part of the country. You got people here who work hard, who pay taxes, and it's only fair that their voice has just as much weight as anyone else's voice in this country.
Because everybody's voice needs to be heard.
Yes.
Through worldwide, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I think it would be a great thing if they did have voting rights and if we were a state. You know, we'd be entitled to a lot of different things.